Okay, so this time, we're going to use that words or keywords to translate. Translate English phrases to algebraic expression. First is number 1. Iyo at the back, kindly read the given statement for number 1. Okay, so the given statement for number 1 is 2 more than y ball pen. Okay, step 1, identify the keywords. Okay, what do you think is the keyword? Yes, Silva? More than. More than. What operation is that? Okay, plus. Ipa-plus daw natin yung ano, anak? 2 more than y ball pens. Okay, tatandaan, anak, pag nakakita tayo ng word na than, mauuna yung y kesa sa 2. Pagbabalik rin natin. What do you think is the algebraic expression of that statement? Yes, Chloe? Very good. We have y plus 2. That is the answer for number 1. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, now let us proceed by number 2. Okay, boys, can you read?
13 pesos added to X pesos.
Okay, step 1, identify the keywords. Tayabas, what is the keyword? Added to. And what operation is that? Okay, magpa-plus ulit tayo. Then we're going to add what number or variables? Anyone, what do you think will be the algebraic expression of that statement? O, Palero. Very good. Mauuna si X plus 13. Okay, for number 3. 8 subtracted from B marbles. What is the key word? Gloria. And what operation is that? Okay, minus. Now, what do you think will be the algebraic expression of that statement? Yes? Ano?
B minus
Okay, very good. B minus A. Okay, number 4. Nagigets na po ba? Okay, number 4. B increased by 5 candies. Okay, Garcia. Okay, and increased by is? Okay, addition. Then, what is the algebraic expression of that statement? Yes, anak. Iha. Okay, B plus 5. Okay, now for number 5. Twice a number M bacteria. What is the keyword of that statement? Yes, Gloria? Twice. And twice is for multiplication. So we're going to multiply what? What do you think will be the algebraic expression of that statement? Silva? Very good. The answer is 2M. Or, pwede rin 2 times M. Pero ito ginagamit nyo nung elementary kayo. Tama ba? This time, anak, na yung high school na kayo, so hindi na to kadalasan ginagamit. Kasi ito, symbol ng times na to ay as a variable na siya. So kaya kadalasan, kapag multiplication, pwedeng magkatabi na lang. 2M. Or we can read this as 2 times M. Pwede rin pong gamitan siya ng parenthesis. 2 times M. Pwede rin pong ganyan. Or, pwede rin pong tuldok 2 times M. Lahat po yan ay equal lang ang sagot. Lahat po siya ay tama. Question? Do you understand? Okay.